Pokhara Airport is a domestic airport serving Pokhara in Nepal. This airport will be replaced by Nepal's third international airport. Nepal is divided in three mountain zones. First the Sivalik Hills, green and about 500 meters height. Then rise the Mahabharata Hills, up to 3,000 meters. When you approach Kathmandu, the plains are literally shaving the Mahabharata range. The hills up to 1,500 meters are mainly inhabited by Hindu religious people. Here is Gupteshwor Mahadev Cave, an old underground cave in Nepal. Here is where the Seti River emerges from underground. The cave temple is found about 16th century. The cave temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The cave is nearly 3 kilometers long. Gupteshwor Mahadev Cave, Nepali, is a cave located in Pokhara, Kaski district, opposite to Devi's Fall. The water from Devi's Fall passes through this cave. Gupteshwor Mahadev Cave is one of the major attractions of Pokhara. Across the road from Devi's Falls, this venerated cave contains a huge stalagmite worshipped as a Shiva lingam. The ticket allows you to clamber through a tunnel behind the shrine, emerging in a damp cavern adjacent to the thundering waters of Devi's Falls. On the way to Pokhara. This is a night view of Fewa Lake in Pokhara. Kathmandu Durbar Square in front of the old royal palace of the former Kathmandu Kingdom is one of 3 Durbar, royal palace, squares in the Kathmandu Valley in Nepal, all of which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Several buildings in the square collapsed due to a major earthquake on April 25, 2015. Durbar Square was surrounded with spectacular architecture and vividly showcases the skills of the Nawar artists and craftsmen over several centuries. The royal palace was originally at Tataraya Square and was later moved to the Durbar Square. Chandragiri Hill is 20 kilometers from city, and on the southwest side of Kathmandu Valley, which is 2,551 meters above sea level. The hill provides panoramic views of Kathmandu Valley, and the Himalayan ranges from Annapurna to Everest. Chandragiri Hill has cable car system to reach up to the temple of Gupteshwor Mahadev. A landslide happened on the hills. Gurkha Memorial Museum at Pokhara, Nepal. The world-famous Gurkha soldiers first came to prominence during the Anglo-Nepalese War of 1814 to 1816. This museum first opened in 2005 and celebrates the international achievements of this elite force through 2 centuries of paintings, photographs, and artifacts. Buddha is a stupa in Kathmandu, Nepal. Its massive mandala makes it one of the largest spherical stupas in Nepal and the world.